we are about to start our first contest in this room, which represents St. John Senior High School, second year. Then we have Mfantsiman Girls Senior High School, Salt Pond. Did you bring us some salt? Then we have Archbishop Potter Girls. I think I had it right today.
The pond is dry.
Come again.
The pond is dry. The pond is dry.
The pond is dry. Oh, okay. So Archbishop Potter Girls. The last time I made mistake and your seniors notified me, so I'm right. Okay, you're right. Okay. So they are represented by Imrama and Lena. Then we have Dorothy and Jessica for one side, and then we have Asari and Ehak for St. John. I am a quiz master for this venue for this time. My name is Isaac Newton, and I am here in Adisadel College. Yes, I'm in the building. So my AKA is John Prof. So if you forget, you can call me John Prof. Okay, our contestants are ready. So we know the rules of the game. So for round one, if I ask a question, you don't need to ring the bell. Just raise your hand, let me acknowledge you, and then you give your answer. However, if your answer is wrong, any of the other two schools will be, it will be available for them as bonus, so they ring the bell for it. If they get it right, 1 point. If they get it wrong, -1 point. And I declare a school's answer wrong, you don't have any right to ring your bell to tell me that the answer is wrong. Unless they are timed out. If they are timed out, then you can ring your bell. But if they give an answer,
particular area.
Okay, so the term I needed has been mentioned, so I will take it for 1 point. 1 point. So your own question. Yours is biotic factors.
Biotic factors.
Next time you raise your hand, let me acknowledge you before. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Biotic factors refer to the living factors that affect life of organisms in an ecosystem or habitat. Sorry.
Say it again.
Refers to the
Don't change your answer, please.
refers to the living factors that affects the life of organisms residing and living in an ecosystem or a habitat.
Earlier you mentioned habitat or ecosystem. Okay. Okay, I will accept it. 3 points. But my consultant is telling me the one I accepted as a bonus, I shouldn't accept it. Okay, so I will give the reason why I didn't accept it. So please give them -1 for the bonus they do. Do you need a pen? Yeah, okay. Okay. So their own question is right for 3 points. Then Archbishop Potter Girls or Potters, yours is Bio, B-I-O-M-E. Yes, go ahead.
Bio refers to a specific or a part of the ecosystem where living organisms can exist at a particular time.
I can't accept that for a bonus. Okay, so a biome refers to the prevailing ecosystem constituted by similar biotic and abiotic factors present in one or more regions of the planet. Okay. Then the first one, the population is a set of individuals of the same species found in a given place at a given time. That's what you missed out, a given time. Okay, that's why I have to cancel out whatever I accepted earlier. So the next set of questions, preamble to all 3 schools. A piece of metal has a work function of electron volts. Of 0.80 electron volts. Take electric charge to be 1.6 by 10 exponent -19 coulomb. That's the preamble. St. John, I should say it again. A piece of metal has a work function of 0.80 electron volts. Take electric charge to be 1.6 by 10 exponent minus 19 coulomb. So, okay. So St. John, find the kinetic energy of photoelectrons in electron volts ejected from the surface of the metal when a photon of wavelength 660 nanometers is incident on it. Yes, go ahead.
Okay, we have the answer 0.56 electron volts.
I'm sorry, I can't accept that. For a bonus. No, that is okay, I will give you the answer later. Mfantsiman girls, an ejected photoelectron has a kinetic energy of 0.60 electron volts. What is the wavelength of the photon that was incident on it? Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Around 2.7 by 10 to the power -5 meters.
I'm sorry, I don't have that here. Photos. A photon was directed on the surface of a metal and the photoelectron that were ejected moved with a kinetic energy of 0.08 electron volts. What is the frequency of this photon? You haven't started yet. For a bonus, come again. Okay, if you haven't started, there are these two students who read their case. They have seen the question. The student will. They have seen it, the student do it. I don't like that. I beg you, let them be in the station. You will get another student to do it. Thank you. Okay, so the right answer to the first one is 1.1 electron volts. The second one is 886 nanometers, or 8.9 by 10 exponent minus 7 meters. And the third one, we have 3.9 by 10 exponent 14 hertz. Sir Wilson, please, do you have a second team that can do a contest right now at the chapel? Okay, please let them go right now. We need a school over there now, just one school. I asked at this school to do, but from what I'm hearing, they have seen the question already, so they shouldn't do it. Chapel, the chapel. Yes. Just one school. Oh, but Master, at least some people should go and give them moral support. Okay, sorry for the interruption. Next set of questions. Yes, sir, they are coming. Mfantsiman is coming. Yes, thank you. Next set of questions, preamble to all. Give the organic product or products formed when the following alkenes are treated with hot KMNO4 under acidic condition. I take it again. Give the organic product or products formed when the following alkenes are treated with hot KMNO4 under acidic condition. So yours is 2-pentene. Players have had.
Okay. We have 3-pentamol.
I'm sorry for a bonus. Okay, so I'll give you the answer later. Mfantsiman girls, yours is 2-methyl-2-butene. Yes, go ahead, Jessica.
2-methyl-2-butanol.
No, for a bonus. Yes, what else?
So we have 2-methyl-2,3-butanediol.
I'm sorry, I don't have that word here either. Okay, so your bigger question. Yours is 2-methyl-1-butene. Yes, go ahead, Irama.
2-methyl-1,2-butanediol.
Where are you getting your answers from? Okay, what I have is 2-butanol. For yours, 2-butanol. Mfantsiman girls, yours is ethanoic acid ethanoic acid and 2-propanol. Then St. John, yours is, the right answer is ethanoic acid and propanoic acid. Okay? Alright, next set of questions. Preamble to all. Find the value of the following. Preamble, find the value of the following. St. John, yours is 2 tan. Okay, so it's 2 tan of, so tan bracket open 4 pi on 3. 4 pi on 3 bracket close minus 2 sine bracket open 2 pi on 3. All of them on cos pi. Are you ready? But feel free to raise your left hand, okay?
We have 2 root 2 minus root 3.
For a bonus. Yes, Jessica.
Minus root 3.
You are right, 1 point. Your own question. We have 2 sine multiplying the expression 4 pi on 3 plus 2 tan multiplying 4 pi on 3. The whole expression on cos pi on 6. Yes, Jessica, your hand is up.
2.
I'm sorry. For your goodness. Jessica, check your answer again. I'll give you the answer later, but check again. Potters, yours is 2 sine of, sorry, it is 2 sine squared of the expression pi on 3 plus 2 cos squared of the expression pi on 3. The whole expression on sec pi on 3 plus cos pi on 2. Yes, 2. I'm sorry. Negative 1. But what did you get anyway?
1.
So less than ring it. 1 is right. Please, they have scored nothing for this one. But the first one, what question did I give you? Read the question. Maybe I made mistake. I don't know. If you are getting the bonuses correct. Yes, give me the question I gave you.
2 sine 1 bracket 4 pi plus 2 sine 1 bracket 4 pi and 3. All you have.
You said 4 pi. 4 pi.
3.
Okay.
All over cos pi and 6.
Okay. So then have you got the answer now? It's 3. The right answer is 3, not 2. The right answer is 3. Next set of questions. Preamble. Define the following terms as associated with coordination chemistry. Define the following terms as associated with coordination chemistry. St. John, yours is ligand. Yes, Hag.
The ligand refers to species that are attached to the central atom within the molecule or ion of any species.
For what?
Or given species, molecule, ion.
I'm sorry, I didn't have that here, for goodness. Okay. Mfantsiman, yours is homoleptic complex. For bonus. I will give you a song. Bonus is 5 seconds. What is yours is coordination number? Yes, Obama.
Coordination number refers to the number of bonds in a given complex. So that is the number of bonds around the central atom in a given complex. That is coordination.
That is. You say your answer again, let me see if it's similar.
Refers to the number of bonds around the central atom in a complex.
Okay, I can't accept it for a bonus. Alright. Mamibo, if you are not answering the question, it doesn't make the contest interesting. So please answer the questions correctly for us. Okay, so a ligand is or refers to atoms, neutral molecules or ions with lone pair of electrons that are bound directly to the central or to the metal center, Then a homoleptic complex refers to the coordination complex in which all the ligands bound to the central metal atom or ion of the same kind. Then the last one, that's coordination number, is the number of donor atoms. Number of donor atoms on ligands that are directly to the central atom by coordinate covalent bonds. Okay. Next set of questions. St. John, a body of weight 20 newtons and mass 2 kilograms is moving in a vertical circular motion with help of a string of radius 1 meter. And velocity of 5 meters per second. What is the tension of the spring when it is horizontal?
The tension is 30 newtons.
No, I think I said that. For goodness. Yes.
70 meters.
Next question. Mfantsiman girls. A body of weight 20 newtons and mass 2 kilograms is moving in a vertical circular motion with the help of a string of radius 1 meter and velocity 1 meter per second. What is the tension in the string at the highest point? Yes, go ahead.
40 newtons. 40 newtons.
I'm sorry, for goodness. What do you get? Ah, okay. It's good you didn't get that. So your question is, a body of weight 20 newtons and mass 2 kilograms is moving in a vertical circular motion with the help of a string of radius 1 meter and velocity 2 meters per second. What is the tension in the string at the lowest point? Ibrahim, you are right. Okay, so the answer to the first question is 50 newtons. And the second one, is 30 newtons. Alright, next set of questions. Preamble. Find the range of the following quadratic functions. St. John, f of x is equal to 6 minus 5x minus x squared. You rebelled out for goodness. What the bell is okay. No, the bell is better up. But what do you have anyway?
Okay. The range is given by y is such that y is less than or equal to 25.6.
It's wrong anyway. Okay, so what my just is f of x is equal to 2x squared minus 8x plus 3. Yes, Jessica.
Y is such that y is a member of all elements and then y is greater than -5.
No. My goodness. Yes, have.
Y is such that y is greater than or equal to -half.
Oh. Oh. Okay, I'll give you the answer later. What is f of x is equal to 9 minus 3x squared. Abraham is one up. Yes, go ahead.
Y is such that y should be greater than plus or minus 3.
No, please. My goodness. Yes. Happy.
Y is such that y is greater than or equal to 9.
Oh. Yes, so that's the answer. Less than or equal to 9. Y is less than or equal to 9. The first one you give is y is greater than or equal to -5. That's for the demand side question. Then your own question. The right answer is y is less than or equal to -49. Okay. Next set of questions, preamble to all. State whether the following pairs of organs are homologous, analogous, or none of them. Okay? State whether the following pairs of organs are homologous, analogous, or none of them. St. John, the wings of bats and the wings of insects.
Analogous.
Please understand what you said, but anyway, you are right. 3 points. Next question. Mfantsiman, the paws of a cat and the human feet. Yes, Jessica.
Analogous.
I'm sorry. For goodness. Yes.
None of them.
I'm sorry. I almost said it's not transferable, but I realized the answers are 3. So homologous, analogous, or none of them. So they are gone. Potters, the bones in the front flipper of whale and the bones of the human arm. Yes, Irama.
None of them.
Are you trying to do or you are sure? You are sure? Okay, yes.
Homologous.
You are right. 1 point. Next step. Oh, okay, so the first one is analogous. The second one is homologous. The third one is homologous, as you said. Preamble to all this group. A canoe is rolled with a speed of speed v from the bank across the river with a width w in a direction perpendicular to the river current of speed u. For the given values of u, v, w, find the distance the canoe drifts down the river from a point on the other river bank directly opposite. Should I take it again? A canoe is rolled with speed v from the bank across the river with a width w in direction perpendicular to the river current of speed u. For the given values of UVW, find the distance the canoe drifts down the river from a point on the other river bank directly opposite. First one. First very school. U is equal to 1.50 meters per second. V is equal to 3.20 meters per second. And W is equal to 96.0 meters. This time for my bell.
The distance is 5.3 meters.
I'm sorry for a bonus. The right answer will give it to you at the end of this particular set. Mfantsiman girls. U is equal to 2.4 meters per second. V equals 1.3 meters per second. And W is equal to 144 meters. Dorothy or Jessica, who is talking? Yes, go ahead.
130 meters.
130. I'm sorry. Potters. U equals 1.40 meters per second. V equals 2.50 meters per second. W is equal to 85.0 meters. I'm sorry, I don't have that. The right answer to yours is 152 meters. Man side, yours is 78 meters. St. John, yours is 205 meters, 205 meters. Next set of questions. St. John, calculate the molarity of a dye whose concentration is given as 2 ppm, given that the dye has a molar mass of 325 grams per mole. Next question. Mfantsiman girls. A solution is labeled 2.89 ppm. It is made of a solute that has a molar mass of 522 grams per mole. What is the molarity of the solution? Next question. What is? The maximum concentration of oxygen gas in seawater is 2.2 by 10 exponent minus 4 moles per dm cube at 25 degrees Celsius. What is this concentration in ppm? Yes, go ahead. I'm sorry, 5 minutes. Okay, the right answer is 7.0 ppm. Then man side, the answer to your question was 5.54 by 10 exponent minus 6 mole per decimeter cube. Then St. John, 6 by 10 exponent minus 6 mole per dm cube. Next set, preamble to all 3 schools. And this will be the last set for this round. No, the last but one, sorry. Mention one of the 3 renal processes that combine to produce urine. This is not transferable. So when I count, you just give me one. Mention one of the 3 renal processes that combine to produce urine. St. John.
Also filtration.
I'm sorry, I don't have that. So yes, next.
Selective reabsorption.
Not here either. What else?
Glomerular filtration.
Okay, you are right. You are right. So we have glomerular filtration, we have tubular reabsorption, and then tubular secretions. So those are the 3. Last set of questions for this round. Consider the following matrices given and find. Are we okay? Consider the following matrices given and find. So St. John, yours is the matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we have minus 3, 2. Okay. So it's a preamble to all. Sorry. So preamble to all. So the A for all of you, A is minus 3, 2, 4, 7. Matrix B, also 2 by 2. We have 2, negative 3, 7, negative 6. And then C, 2 by 2, 4 minus 2, minus 1, 0. That's for all of you. Then St. John, yours is 3A plus 2B. Yes, sir.
Negative 5, there is a 2 by 2 matrix. Negative 5, 0, 26, and 9.
You are right for 3 points. Yours is A minus 4B. Yes, Jessica, go ahead.
Minus 11, 14, minus 24, 17.
I'm sorry for a bonus. Yes, what is?
Yeah.
A rammer.
You have negative 11, 26, 24, and then 31.
I'm sorry. So they gave the answer that except the last one, the 31. So it's minus 11, 14, minus 24, 31. Last question for this round. Your own question. 3C plus 2A. Abraham is hand up. Go ahead.
So you have, so you have,
Abraham, I know you have, so very what you have.
so you have 6, negative 2, 5, and then 4.
You are right for 3 points. Abraham, breathe in deeply and breathe out before the round 2. I don't want to make pressure. The second one, the math that was to Mfantsiman girls, right? 5 points.
St. John's School.
St. John's School, you thank you. Then Archbishop Water girls, 6 points. And then in the lead so far is Mfantsiman girls, 9 points. So round 2, speed race. I'll give you questions simultaneously. So when the answer is ready, you ring your bell. Let's go, and you know all the rules already. Yes, can we hear your bell? Number 4, number 2, number 3. Okay, question 1. What name is given to flowering plants whose flowering does not depend on the photoperiod? The right answer is indifferent plants. Indifferent plants. Next question. In staining procedures, what name is given to bacteria that do not retain their stain after staining crystal violets? Yes, water girls.
Gram-negative bacteria.
3 points. Next question. Mention the polysaccharides found in the cell wall of bacteria. Yes, they don't
Peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan.
Okay.
Peptidoglycan.
2 points. Minus 1, 2 points. I didn't get a pen. I'm sorry, it's okay. So 3 points, minus 1. Next question, what region of the electromagnetic spectrum does the passion
Infrared region.
3 points. Next, the frequency of a particle performing a circular motion changes from 60 RPM to 180 RPM in 20 seconds. Determine the angular acceleration. Yes, it's done.
360 grad per second square.
Say it again.
360 grad per second square.
What would it be in pi? In pi is
5.
Okay, then I can accept it. So minus 1. The time is up. So the right is 0.2 pi radians per second squared. 0.2. Next question. A 60.0 gram pellet is launched at 50 meters per second vertically upwards from the ground. How long does the pellet remain in the sky? Yes, go ahead. Yes, but
10 seconds.
okay, 3 points. Next question. Calculate the molar solubility of CO bracket open OH bracket close 3 with KSP equal to 2.2 by 10 exponent minus 16 in a solution buffered at pH is equal to 11. Then the right answer is 2.2 by 10 exponent minus 7 mole per decimeter cube. Next question. Calculate the sum of stoichiometric coefficients in a balanced equation of the reaction. O2 plus C3H8 reacting to form CO plus H2O. Yes, in John. School.
Okay.
Go ahead. Yes,
The sum of the
mention the answer.
15.
15. I'm sorry. The right answer is 23. Yes. No. Once you read your bell, the answer is ready. You don't now come and tell me that the exam we found the answer to me or the exam from the will. You give them time. Next question. Give the product form in the hydrolysis of methyl methanate using NaOH solution. The right answer is methanol and sodium ethanate. Next question. What rate of interest is needed for an investment of 1,000 Ghana cedis to yield 4,000 Ghana cedis in 10 years if the interest is compounded annually? Yes. Mfantsiman,
4%.
I'm sorry. Yes, what is?
40%.
I'm sorry. The right answer is 14.9%. Next question. Find the equation of a circle with radius 2√3 units and center at -5, -9. Yes, go ahead.
Okay. The equation of the circle is given by x plus 5, that expression all squared, plus another expression y plus 9 all squared equals 12.
Say it again.
The expression x plus 5 all squared plus another expression y plus 9 all squared equals 12.
Okay, you are right. Next question. If I log the base 10 of 8,540 exponent 3 on 5, given that log 8,540 is equal to 3.932. Then now the right answer is 2.359, and that brings us to the end of round 2. So round 3 is true or false. This one, when I come to you, I give you a string. If you get it wrong, -1. In this case, don't worry with it. In this case, you may decide. Okay, Abigail comes for a grammar for Archbishop Potter girls. Let's clap for them. Why do you think you have to be 19 at this book? Okay, Abigail, you are welcome. So on this note, for this question, if I read the question, you think that you don't want to attempt, you can choose not to go for it at all. In which case, it's available for the other two schools to ring and answer. If they get it right, 2 points, wrong, -1. Score master and mistresses. Are we ready? Yes. We're in the same order. So at the end of round 2, these are the scores. Archbishop Potter girls, 8 points. Mfantsiman girls, 11 points. St. John's School, 12 points. So round 3, true or false. I still start with the boys. So you only tell me whether true or false, just one word. A regular pentagon has 5 axes of symmetry. You are right. Mfantsiman girls, a hexagon has 6 axes of symmetry. Go ahead.
False.
You are right. Potters, a circle has an infinite axis of symmetry. Hey, please keep quiet. I heard someone say something here. I don't hear that again. Go ahead.
True.
Did they mislead you? Did they mislead you or did you hear what he said? Did they mislead you? Okay, you are right. Next question. St. John, the heart of fishes has 2 chambers. That is 1 atrium and 1 ventricle. Or 1 atrium and 1 ventricle.
False.
I'm sorry, it's a true statement. Next, Mfantsiman girls. The hearts of amphibians have 3 chambers. That is 1 atrium and 3 ventricle. Jessica.
False.
You are right. Next, Potters. Unlike amphibians, the hearts of reptiles have 3 chambers. Yes, Abigail.
False.
You are right. Preamble. State whether the following are true or false with respect to spontaneous process. St. John, the entropy of a system always decreases.
False.
You are right. Miners, the entropy of the surrounding always increases. Yeah, Dorothy.
False.
You are right. Potters, the entropy of the universe always increases. Yes, Abigail? I'm sorry. Next question. So it's a false statement. Preamble, the reaction to all of you. SO3 plus Cl2. Sorry. The reaction SO2 plus Cl2 with a reversible reaction giving us SO2Cl2. The heat change for the reaction is negative 67 kilojoules per mole or kilojoules mole. Alright, so yours. Adding heat to the system can increase the amount of SO2Cl2. Yes, true. I'm sorry, it's a false statement. Next, removing Cl2 from the system will increase the amount of SO2Cl2. Jessica, I saw that you were wrong already. She said it's true before saying it. Next, increase the volume of the vessel of the reaction. Reaction will increase the amount of SO2Cl2. What is? So this is all the answers are false. So you also know. Next question. Indicate, so this is a preamble, indicate the following, whether the following statements are true or false with respect to voltaic cells. St. John, chemical species can have their oxidation numbers decreased at the cathode. Yes, that's true. You're right. Next, you can find that reduction occurs at the cathode. This guy. True. Yes. Potters, elemental metals are routinely converted to metal cations at the cathode. Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry, the false statement. Next question. Preamble, state whether the following are true or false with respect to concave mirror or concave mirror. St. John, the image formed is erect when the object is placed at the center of curvature.
True.
Yes, have.
True.
I'm sorry, it's a false statement. Thank you. The image form is inverted and virtual when placed at the center of curvature. Yes, you are right. Only real and inverted images are formed. Only real and inverted images are formed. Speak, let's hear you. Yes, you are right. Oh, Lina, the first time I spoken, you don't want to be good. Next question. The vertex of the quadratic function f of x is equal to 2 multiplying the expression x plus 3, and that expression is squared, minus 2. Okay, is minus 3 minus 2. You are right. Next, the vertex of the quadratic function f of x is equal to minus 2 multiplying the expression x minus 3, the expression squared, plus 2 is minus 3 minus 2. Yes, I saw it. Correct. Potters, you are right. The vertex of the quadratic function f of x is equal to 3 multiplying the expression x plus 3 expression squared minus 2 is minus 3 minus 2. I'm sorry, it's a true statement. Next, and this is the last set for this round. Yours is hemoglobin has a higher affinity for carbon monoxide than molecular oxygen. Yes, True. Yes, you are right. Yes. Hemoglobin has a higher affinity for cyanide ion than molecular oxygen. Yes, yes, you are right. What else? Hemoglobin has a higher affinity for carbon monoxide than cyanide ion. Abby? Oh, Abby, yeah. Why did you break my heart? It's a false statement. End of round 3. At the end of round 3, these are the scores. Archbishop Potter girls, 9 points. St. John School, 19 points. Mfantsiman girls, 24 points. Last round, riddles. We know the rules. Riddle 1. We are a type of specialized cells that play very crucial part in the digestive system. Our secretions are controlled by central and local modulations by some regulatory factors. We secrete an intrinsic factor which is one type of glycoprotein. We are part of the human stomach. We are more recognized for the secretion of hydrochloric acid that provide an acidic medium to enable the gastric enzymes to work. Yes, go ahead.
Oxygen cells.
I'm sorry. So the other schools, the other two. So work properly. So who am I? Yes, my girl.
Gastric cells.
I'm sorry. Okay, so the answer I have is it parietal cell? They said what? Exactly. So what the girl said is the same as what I have. So 3 points. These are the final scores. Archbishop Potter girls, 12 points. St. John's School, 25 points. And Mfantsiman girls, 27 points. Thank you all for coming to this venue for this one. So let's see the next contest for this venue before we leave.